Hey, I feel really hungry. Me too. I didn't eat much at lunch today. Same here. I was very busy and only ate a small snack. Yeah, I worked all afternoon and now I feel tired and hungry. Do you want to cook something? Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Eating at home is better and cheaper. I agree. Cooking together is also fun. So, what do you want to eat? I'm not sure. Maybe something with chicken? Chicken sounds perfect. It is delicious and easy to cook. Yes, and we can make many recipes with chicken. Let me check what we have in the fridge. Okay, I hope we have chicken and some vegetables. If we don't have enough ingredients, we can improvise. Yes, that's true. I'm excited to cook today. Me too. Let's go to the kitchen and see what we can prepare. Great idea. I'm very hungry now.
Wow, the fridge is not very full. Yes, but I think we can still make something good. What do we have? Let me see. We have chicken breast, onions, tomatoes, and some bell peppers. That's actually great. We can make a simple chicken dish. Yes, maybe pan-fried chicken with vegetables. I like that idea. Do we have garlic? Yes, we have garlic and some cooking oil. Perfect. Garlic always makes food taste better. True. Do we have rice or pasta? Let me check the cabinet. Okay. Yes, we have rice. Great. Chicken with rice is always a good combination. Do we need to go to the store for anything else? I don't think so. Maybe some spices, but we can use what we have. We have salt, pepper, and paprika. That's enough for a tasty meal. So the plan is chicken with vegetables and rice. Yes, first we need to wash and cut the vegetables. I can do that. You can prepare the chicken. Deal. Let's start cooking before we get more hungry. Yes, the smell of food will make us even hungrier. I'm washing the vegetables now. Great! I'm going to prepare the chicken. Did you wash your hands first? Yes, of course. Hygiene is important when cooking. Good. How are you going to cut the chicken? I'm going to cut it into small pieces so it cooks faster. That's a good idea. I'll add some salt and pepper first. Are you going to marinate it? Just a little. I'll add garlic and paprika. That will give it a lot of flavor. Yes, and I think I'll add a bit of lemon juice too. Nice. Lemon always makes chicken taste fresh. Exactly. How are the vegetables going? Almost ready. I'm cutting the onions and tomatoes now. Be careful with the knife. Don't worry, I'm being careful. The chicken is ready. I'll let it rest for a few minutes. Perfect timing. The vegetables are ready too. Great. Next step, turn on the stove. Yes, let's start cooking. The pan is hot now. Perfect. Add a little oil first. Like this? Yes, that's enough. Now add the chicken slowly. Okay, I hear it sizzling. That's a good sign. It means the pan is hot. The smell is already very good. Yes, garlic always smells amazing when it cooks. Should I stir it now or wait? Wait a little. Let it cook on one side first. All right. Now you can turn the pieces. They're changing color. Yes, that means they're cooking well. Do you think we should add the vegetables now? Not yet. First, let the chicken cook a bit more. Okay. How long does it usually take? About 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. I'll keep an eye on it. Good. Cooking requires patience. I'm learning a lot today. That's great. Cooking together is the best way to learn. The chicken looks golden now. Yes, it's ready for the vegetables. I'll add the onions first. Good idea. Onions need more time to soften. Wow, the smell is getting even better. I know, this is my favorite part of cooking. Now I'll add the tomatoes and bell peppers.
Perfect. Don't forget to mix everything well.
Like this?
Yes, make sure the vegetables are covered with the oil and juices.
Should we add more salt?
Just a little. We can taste it later.
Okay, I'll add a small pinch.
Great. Let's cover the pan and let it cook.
How long should we wait?
About 5 minutes. The vegetables will release water.
That will make a nice sauce.
Exactly. Simple food can still be very tasty.
I agree. This already looks like a real meal.
It is a real meal, and we made it together.
I'm proud of us.
Me too.
While the chicken is cooking, should we prepare the rice?
Yes, that's a good idea. The rice will take some time.
How much rice do you want to make?
Let's make enough for both of us, maybe 2 cups.
Okay, I'll wash the rice first.
Don't forget to remove the excess water.
Yes, I know. I'll drain it well.
Great. Now add water and a little salt.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Put it on the stove.
All right, I'll turn on the heat.
Medium heat is fine.
While we wait, should we set the table?
Yes, let's do that. I'll get the plates.
I'll bring the glasses and cutlery.
Do you want water or juice with the meal?
Water is fine. The food already has a lot of flavor.
I agree. Simple is better sometimes.
Everything is almost ready.
Yes, I'm getting really hungry now.
Me too. Cooking makes me more hungry.
Same here, but it's a good feeling.
The chicken smells really good. I think it's almost ready. Yes, it looks golden and well cooked. Let's taste it. Careful, it's hot. Wow, the flavor's really nice. Do you think it needs more salt? Maybe just a little bit, not too much. Okay, I'll add a pinch of salt. And maybe a little black pepper? Good idea. I'll mix it slowly. The sauce looks thicker now. Yes, it reduced well. Let me try it again. What do you think now? It's perfect. The chicken is juicy and full of flavor. I'm glad. I was worried it might be dry. No, you cooked it very well. Thank you. Cooking together makes it easier. I agree. And it's more fun, too. The rice should be ready soon. Great. Then we can serve everything. The rice is ready now. Perfect timing. Everything is ready at the same time. I'll turn off the stove. I'll bring the pan to the table carefully. Let me help you. It's still hot. Thank you. Let's serve the plates. How much chicken do you want? Just a little more than you. I'm very hungry. No problem. Here you go. It looks delicious. I'll add some rice and vegetables. The colors look really nice together. Yes, food always looks better when it's colorful. Let's sit down and eat. Finally, I've been waiting for this moment. Me too, I'm starving. Let's try it together. Wow, it tastes even better than I expected. I'm happy you like it. I really do. This is a great meal. This chicken is really good. You cooked it very well.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
The seasoning is perfect. It's not too salty.
I tried to keep it simple. Sometimes simple food is the best.
I agree. How was your day today?
It was a little long. I had a lot of things to do.
Same here. Work was stressful this morning. That's why this meal feels so good. It helps us relax. Yes, eating together makes everything better. Do you like cooking in general? I do, but only when I have time. What about you? I like it, especially when I cook with someone. It's more fun that way. And we can talk while we cook and eat. Exactly. It's like spending quality time. We should cook together more often. I'd like that. Maybe next time we can try a new recipe. That sounds like a good plan. What kind of food do you want to cook next time? Maybe pasta or something with vegetables. I like that idea. I'm really full now.
Me too. That was very satisfying.
I think we cooked just the right amount.
Yes, there's almost nothing left.
Do you want something sweet after this?
Maybe just some fruit or tea.
Tea sounds perfect. I'll prepare it.
Thanks.
I'll start cleaning the table. You don't have to do everything.
It's okay. We cooked together, so we cleaned together.
That's fair. I'll wash the dishes.
I'll dry them.
Cooking and cleaning feels easier when we do it as a team.
Yes, and it goes faster too.
Next time, we should invite friends.
That would be fun. We can cook a bigger meal.
I like that idea.
Me too. Today was a really nice moment.
It was simple but special.
I feel very relaxed now.
Me too. Dinner and tea were perfect.
I like moments like this, calm and simple.
Yes, no stress, just good company.
What do you want to do now?
Maybe watch a short movie or listen to music.
Music sounds good. Something soft.
I'll put some music on.
Today was a nice day, from cooking to eating together.
Yes, it was. We didn't do anything special, but it felt special.
Sometimes the best days are like that.
I agree. Thank you for cooking with me today.
Thank you too. I really enjoyed it.
We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Well, it's getting late. Yes, I should go home now.
Take care and get home safe.
I will. See you soon. See you. Good night.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.